I thought today I would walk you through a little cucumber salad. If you're like me, you have way too many cucumbers and you're running out of ways to eat your cucumbers. And I have not learned how to pickle yet. So here I am pulling a Japanese long cucumber. Look at the size of this thing. So I love these. These are like English cucumbers, but these ones are Japanese long. And they love to be trellis. This one could have gotten bigger, but when it starts to turn a little yellow, I know it's ready. So for this salad, I am cutting the slices really thin, and it helps to have a good knife for this. But I'm using the Japanese long because I am making a Japanese recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. And this is just one cucumber's worth. Probably makes a serving for like two. So after you cut them, you put them in salt. And I put mine in the fridge because I like it cold. So here we go, cutting them really thin. Takes a little time. And here's your ingredients. I'll put the exact measurements on the screen. Soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine vinegar. So it looks like a half a cup of rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Watch this trick right here. This is one-handed and it just worked out perfectly. Gotta love it. So 2 of those. Let's do it again. I bought the generic soy sauce this time. Next time I'm going back to the brand name soy sauce. There's some things that are good generic, but a lot of things that I like to have name brand. This is the sesame oil, and I believe this is 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Sesame oil is really strong, but that's kind of what makes this recipe. But if you don't like sesame oil, you might not like this. It's a really strong smell. And this one called for white sesame seeds on top. I had black sesame seeds, so that's what I ended up using. So that's it for the sauce, just those 3. Oh, and some sugar. All right, and mix that up. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I can't do this one-handed, as you can see. It's almost empty, so I'm gonna probably turn the camera off. Yep. So now we're mixing up the sauce, and I'm gonna go get my cucumbers out of the refrigerator. I don't know why, but I love cucumbers cold. So now it says to squeeze out the cucumbers, the extra juice and water in the cucumbers, which you could then put in a smoothie or something. I'm not a big fan of cucumber juice, but it's probably good for you. So here I go, squeezing out the juice. And adding it to the sauce. That's how much juice I had left over. Can you see it? It's pretty green too. And we ended up making this curry. We special ordered this Japanese curry. It was pretty good. The husband liked it. It's okay. It's not a real spicy curry. And you put potatoes and carrots in there, and we did some chicken with it, so